Hi, this is Alan from Screenage. Today, we're in Panyu, Guangzhou, China. So here, this is the biggest second-hand LCD module and LCD display glass market. We all know the price between original one and the second-hand one is really big. So let's see what are we going to explore here today. Let's go. For this shop, we can realize they're selling the accessories for the display industry, like remote control, the signal cables. And at this shop, we can realize they're selling logic board, monitor control board. For this shop, they are selling the polarizer. The polarizer is a film on the LCD glass, on the surface one. I heard from one of my friends, in this market, if even you just get one logic board, even it's failed, and you can repair it, combine to an LCD module screen. It's really, really amazing. These are some failed LCD modules being put on the road like garbage. Looking at here, it's sad. All this foam is LCD display glass inside. Okay, this is a shop. I think they are, change the polarizer. Let's see here, looking at this gentleman, he is changing the polarizer on the LCD glass. So he is using a small tool right now to clean the glue on the surface of it. So they put the LCD glass into there, and that machine will use the glue, put the polarizer on the surface of it. After that, this gentleman will try to cut the polarizer into the right size and clean it up. Most of the shops in this market like a family operation. Most of the shops inside this market are the family operation. I think this is a reason how can they save the money. We can see failed screen, LCD glass, or the module everywhere, just like into the vegetable market. So we can find all the components inside the market. The T-Con board, logic board, LCD glass, everything. Look at it here. Those filed screen is putting on the ground, no protection, all the full of the dust. This gentleman, I don't know what he's doing, but probably he's making the change. So this gentleman is repairing the T-Con board and make the cable get a contact. We can see each cable, there are some glue on it. So he has to use the tool and the glue to repair for the T-Con board. Look at this LCD glass. A lot of the glue dust on it. For my idea, this is something like a garbage we'll throw away, but they still collect all the failed LCD liquid glass, put it here, and waiting for repair. After repair, this kind of the LCD glass will go to the market again. It will come to the TV industry or commercial display industry. So in this market, no matter what kind of the failed LCD module or LCD glass you are having, and they can repair it into a normal one, and this kind of the failed repair rate screen will go back to the market again. I'm not trying to say this repair rate screen cannot be used, but it will take the risk because maybe it will be failed after a few months, few weeks. It's a random risk. So it depends on you would like to take the risk or not.